continue in the Oxford Chinese Mini Dictionary to the letter X. Xi, west, western. 西班牙 Spanish. Spaniard is 西班牙人. Language Spanish is 西班牙文 or 西班牙语. Okay. 文 is written, 语 is language. Okay. 西北 is the northwest. North western is 西北. Okay. 西边 is the west side. 西餐 is western food. 西方 is a direction west or part of the world that is in the west. 西服 is western stock clothing. 西瓜 is watermelon. 西红柿 is tomato. 西红柿. So the color red is 红, but sometimes we call it 番茄. We just call it 番茄 tomato. 西南 is southwest. 西面 is on the western side, or 西边 west side. 西装 is a suit. 西藏 is the country Tibet. 西 inhale, breathe, attract, absorb. 吸收 is to absorb, assimilate, recruit, enroll, admit. Usually to absorb like a nutrient. 吸收. Okay. It's a bit common usage. 吸烟 is to smoke cigarettes. 吸引 is to attract or draw. 希望 is to hope or wish. Hope, expectation. 牺牲 is to sacrifice. 习惯 habit, custom, to be accustomed to get used to. 洗 wash or clean. 洗衣机 is a washing machine. 洗澡 to have a bath or shower. Next. 喜 happy, pleased, delighted, happiness, happy event. 喜欢 is to like. 他喜欢看书 he likes to read. 戏 play, opera, drama. 戏剧 is a play or drama. 戏 is a department in a university or college. 系统 is a system. 细 fine, thin, delicate, careful, meticulous, detailed. Attentive, carefully, in detail. 细菌 bacteria, germs. 细心 meticulous, careful, attentive. Attentively with concentration. 虾 shrimp, prawn. 虾 blind. 下 is to go down or descend. 下雨 is when the rain descends, when it's raining. 下雪 snow comes down. 下雷子 oh, that's not right. 下雹子 hail. Living in California, you didn't really get that a lot from your parents. They didn't really say that. 雹子 hail is 雹子. I've never heard that. before. Isn't that funny? Issue, give, proclaim. In making or sending down a decision, to decide, determine. 下决心 is to make up one's mind. 下结论 is to draw a conclusion. That's a really important one. 下结论. 结论 is a conclusion in a very formal sort of way. It's a very formal term. 结论. 结 is to end or to knot up. 论 is some sort of philosophical thing. 下定义 to give a definition. 定义. Okay. And when you speak of animals, they 下蛋. It's to lay an egg. 坐下 means to sit. 这里放不下 means that there's no room for it here. 这里放不下. Okay. 定下开会的时间 means to fix a time for the meeting, to schedule a meeting time. 定下开会. 开会 is meeting. You say 开会 is it's to open a meeting. 的时间. Okay. 下个月 next month. 下 also is a bad term if you say somebody's 下贱. That means they're like really disturbingly, like disgustingly lower and inferior. 下贱. Okay. 床下 is under the bed. Okay. 下班 is to go off to get off of work. 下边 is just on the bottom or below, somewhere underneath. 下课 is to dismiss class or when class is over. 下来 to come down. 跳下来 means to jump down. 跪下来 would be to kneel down. 把眼睛摘下来 it's to take off your glasses. 我把你地址记下来. 记 is to remember or to record. 我把你地址记下来 is I noted down your address. 下面 or 下边 is underneath. 下去 to go down, to descend. 说下去 means to keep on speaking. 下头 or 下边 same thing, underneath. 下午 is the afternoon or PM. 下 is frightened or scared, to be frightened or intimidated and threatened. 下你给我吓坏了 is like if somebody, you know, is there and you didn't expect him there. 你给我吓坏了 and you turn around, you're like, oh wait, what's going on? 夏天 summer season. Next. 先 before, in advance. 先 ... 再 first you do this, then you do that. 先吃饭再休息 first you eat, then you rest. 先 ... 才 not until ... must. Okay, so 你得先给我解释一下 you must first explain something to me 我才能去办 then I can go do something. I cannot do something that you tell me to do until you explain it to me. 你得先给我解释一下我才能去办 So the day is a 破音字 It's a change of tonality from the formal. It's an exception. 你得 Otherwise it's the word 得 You see the character and it's 得 but it's 你得 You must do something, okay? Next, 先后 in order of precedence, priority, successively, one after another. 先进 to be advanced, as in techniques and experiences. 先进, okay? Next, 先生 is Mr. or husband. or it's a courteous address to scholars and elders, like sir. Okay. 纤维 or you can say 纤维 okay. Fibrous tissue. 掀 is lift, like 掀开 is to lift up a cover. 鲜 is fresh, tasty, or like fresh air, bright and colorful also. 鲜花 is fresh flowers. 闲 idle, unaccompanied, unoccupied, free. 闲 okay, free, leisurely. 显得 appear, seem. 显然 obvious, clear, obviously, evidently, clearly. 显示 display, show, manifest. 显著 distinct, prominent, market. 显著 okay. 县 is a district or county. 现代 contemporary era, modern age, modern contemporary. 现代化 is to modernize, modernization. 现实 reality, practical, realistic. It's more rational and practical. 现实主义 is realism. It's a philosophy of realism. Okay. 现象 phenomenon. 现在 present, now, present, currently. 限制 control, restrict, limit, control, restriction, limit. 线 thread, string, wire, line. 羡慕 admire, envy. 献 is to offer up, present, donate, dedicate. 县仙 乡 countryside, village, native place, home. Oh, sorry, 乡 oh, sorry, it's 乡故乡. The word is 乡. It's Xiang. 乡 乡 I'm saying this poorly. 乡故乡. Okay, it's 故 乡故乡. It's your like your homeland or your home village is 故乡, wherever you're born. 故乡. Okay. 乡 is also similar to 相当 appropriate, fairly, rather. 相反 opposite, contrary. 相互 mutual, reciprocal. 相似 similar to or like. Okay, next. 相同 like, same, similar. 相信 is to believe in or trust. 香 is also fragrant, scented, pleasant smelling in terms of delicious foods or a perfume. 香肠 is a sausage. 香港 is Hong Kong. 香蕉 is a banana. 香皂 is a perfumed soap or it's a toilet soap. I don't know what a toilet soap is. I don't know. 箱子 trunk, box, case. 详细 is careful, meticulous, or in detail. Usually it's in detail. So somebody would say 详细的情形. It's the detailed condition. Okay. 详细情形. Okay. 享受 enjoy, enjoyment. 响 is to make a sound, to a noise. 响. Okay. 响应 is a response or answer. 想 is to think, to ponder, contemplate. Or intended to, you want to. 我想到那里. You want to, okay? Or 我正在想 I am currently thinking about something, okay? 想法 It's a point of view, way of thinking, opinion. 想念 is to remember, long for. So if you 想念故乡, it means you are homesick. 想象 is imagination. 向 is towards something. 向 lane, alley. 相片 photograph, picture. 项 project requirement. 项目 item project. 大象 is an elephant, big. 大象 is elephant. 象征 symbol, emblem, symbolize, signify, stand for. 象征 像 is to resemble or to be similar to, like portrait. To resemble something specific is 像一般 or 像一样. 一样 is a form. 样 is form. So 像什么东西一样 something's like the form. 橡皮 is a rubber eraser. 消费 is to consume. 消费品 is consumer goods. 消化 digest, digestion. 消灭 is to extinguish, like a fire, or 消灭 is also means to wipe out or destroy. 消失 vanish or to disappear. 消息 news, information. 小 small, little, young, unimportant, trifling. 小吃 snack, refreshment. 小孩 children. 小伙子 young man, lad. 小姐 lady or miss, young lady or miss, or daughter. 小麦 is wheat. 小卖部 is a small shop or snack bar. 小朋友 children. 小气 stingy or petty or mean. 小时 hour. 1小时 is 1 hour. 2小时 2 hours. 小说 is a novel, fiction, short story. 小偷 is a thief. 小心 is to be careful or cautious. 小学 is the elementary school. 小组 group. 小的 to know. 校园 is a schoolyard or campus. 校长 is the headmaster, principal, or president of a school, college, or university. 笑 to smile, laugh at, to make fun of, ridicule. 笑话 a joke, something funny, a funny story, laugh at, ridicule, to make fun of. 效果 effect, result. 效率 efficiency. 些 some. 拿些水果来 bring some fruit, or a bit, a little or a bit. 歇 is to rest, to have a rest. Colloquialism would be something like an informal setting where somebody would tell you to 歇着歇歇你累了歇歇 if you're tired, rest. 协会 association, society. 斜 slanting, inclined, askew. 鞋 is shoes. 鞋子 is also shoes. 写 to write and compose. 写作 writing. 写 or 学. The old way of pronouncing it is 写, but really today everybody would say 学. Sh Yeah, 血 is blood. Okay. 谢谢 thank you. 心 heart, mind, feeling, middle center. 新的 新的 again here's a 破音字. 新的 is a change of the tone because of the context. Insight, understanding. 心得心情 feelings, mood, state of mind. 心脏 heart. 辛苦 laborious, hardworking, with great difficulty and effort, laboriously. Hardship. 欣赏 to enjoy or appreciate. 新 new, fresh, recent, up to date, modern, newly, recently, freshly. 新郎 bridegroom. 新年 is a new year. 新娘 is a bride. 新闻 is the news. 新闻界 界 is a world, so it's the news world, which is the press. Okay, 新闻界新鲜 fresh or new. 信 is letter, correspondence, message. 信封 envelope. 信任 trust, confident, to have confidence in. 信息 information, news, message. 信心 信心 is to have confidence. 信心 is confidence or faith. 兴奋 excited. 新奇 it's if you say 星期一 is Monday, 星期二 is Tuesday, 星期三 is Wednesday, 星期四 Thursday, 星期五 Friday, 星期六 Saturday, 星期日 or 星期天 is Sunday. 星星 star. 行 or 行 to go walk, to carry, practice. 这样做行不行? It means could you do it this way? It also means 行 capable, proficient, competent. 行动 is to move or to take action. 行李 luggage, baggage. 行人 pedestrian. 行驶 we're talking about buses, to travel. 行驶行为 is behavior, action, or conduct. 形成 is to take shape, take form, form into, develop, evolve, form. 形容 is to describe. 形式 is form, the noun. 形式 is form. 形势 another characters, situation, circumstance, terrain. It's how the landscape is. 形象 form, appearance, image. 形状 shape, form, appearance. 醒 is to wake up, awaken, to be awakened, regain consciousness or sober up. 兴趣 is interest, interest in. 他对历史有感兴趣。历史 is history. 他 her towards history, she has interest in history. Okay? 他对历史有感兴趣。Or 他对历史有兴趣 or 感兴趣. Either way is fine. Okay? 幸福 happiness, well-being. 幸好 it's good fortunes. 幸亏 is fortunately or luckily. It's usually to describe an avoidance of a misfortune. 幸亏她绑了安全带. It means fortunately she had on her seatbelt. 幸运 lucky, lucky or fortunate. Okay. Next, 性 is quality, nature, character, used at the end of many words. 可能性 it's probability. 创造性 creativity, or the gender of somebody is 姓,男女姓. Okay. 性别 is a gender. 性格 personality, character, temperament. 性质 is the quality or nature. 性质. 姓 is the last name, surname. 姓名 is the full name. 兄弟 is brothers. 兄弟姐妹 is your brothers and sisters or all of your siblings. 胸 is chest, thorax, or breast. 熊 it's when referring to animals, the male type. Strong, powerful, virile. 雄伟 magnificent, imposing, and grand. Or the animal bear is 熊. Okay. 熊猫 is a panda. 休息 is to rest or take a rest. 修 is to repair, mend, maintain, build, construct, study, cultivate knowledge of. 修改 correct, revise, amend, revision, modification. 修理 is to repair or mend. 袖子 is a sleeve. Next. 虚心 is with humility. 虚伪 虚心, okay, humble or modest. 需要 need, required. 许 allowed to, permitted to, promised, pledge. 许愿 is to make a wish. Okay. 许愿许多 a lot of, many of. 叙述 is to narrate or recount. 宣布 is to declare or proclaim. 宣传 is to propagate. It's propaganda. Okay. 选 is to choose or a selection or election. 选举 is an election. Okay. 选择 to choose. 学 is to study, learn, imitate. 中学 is middle school. 大学 is college. 小学 is elementary school. 中学 is secondary or high school. Sometimes middle school, depending on how it's organized in the given jurisdiction. Okay. 文学 literature. 数学 mathematics. 人类学 is anthropology. Okay. 学费 is the tuition. 学期 is a term or semester, so a trimester, semester, whatever the term is. 学生 student, pupil. 学术 learning, scholarship, academic research. 学术界 is academic circles. 学问 scholarship, learning. 学习 study, learn. 学校 is the school. 学院 is an academic institution, college, or an institute. 学者 is a scholar or learned person. Next, 雪 snow. 下雪了 it's snowing. 雪花 is a snowflake. 花 is a flower. 血 another word for, another tone I should say for blood. 血液 is blood, the fluid. 寻找 look for, seek, search for. 询问 is to inquire or ask about. 训练 instruct, train, or drill. 迅速 fast, rapid, fast, rapidly, or at high speed. And that's the end of the exercise.